Good afternoon.
Sir,
Good afternoon.
afternoon.
How much hotel room is here?
How much for that? It's for monthly, sir, or daily?
No, I want to know monthly and day
Okay.
because it's for my friends.
Okay.
They asking.
Okay po. For the daily, sir, we have 1,300, 1,500, 2,500.
I depend on the room.
Yes, different size.
Mhm.
And then for monthly, we have 1,000. For monthly we have 11,000, 12,000, 20,000, 18,000, and 8,000.
So cheapest room monthly it's 11,000 peso.
8,000, sir.
8,000.
Yes.
Oh, it's cheap. It's
That's
cheap.
the cheapest one, but it's on that side at building 3 and 4.
Mhm.
So we the only available room here is room 29 and 28. That's 11,000.
Mhm.
And then on the building 3 here, we have 12,000. If you want, sir, we can show you. I can show you the room.
Yes, please show me simple cheapest room because my subscribers asking
Okay.
from India. They want to know price.
Okay, sir. Please sit down, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you.
I'm just fixing something.
Okay, thank you.
Right pa po yung
Excuse me, this swimming pool is also together with hotel or different place?
it's if you're going to stay here, that's free for two person per
Two
month.
person. Oh, very good.
Yes, sir. And then we also have a Wi-Fi.
Oh, good.
Yan, ready na ba yan? That's room 29.
Mhm. It's all rooms,
11,000.
like-
This one is 11,000. It's for cleaning. And then I just show you the family room so that we can check all the available rooms we have.
Okay.
Maybe if you're going here with your family, this one is
Family room.
advisable for you because there is an adjoining room here.
Mhm.
Let's check this out. This is the family room. It's 20,000 per month.
This is 20,000 one
Per
month.
month. And you have this adjoining room. And this is the shorter way going to the pool area.
Okay.
This one.
Or aircon available.
Yes. The aircon is good. We had just cleaned the aircon last month.
Oh, very good.
Excuse me. This is the family room.
Mhm. And cheapest room not available now.
We have one cheapest room
One.
available now. Hi, sir.
Oh, here very good, silent place, not noisy.
This one, if you're going, we'll just show you this room. It's 12,000. This is the 12,000.
It's
Yeah,
okay.
It's okay. Yeah, this is the 12,000.
12,000 peso this room.
Yes.
Monthly 12,000. If one day, how much?
1,500.
1,500.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 12,000 also I think good price. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is entrance to lobby, yes? If go straight?
That's straight going to the lobby. If you
Lobby.
turn left, and straight ahead, that's the swimming pool.
It's so easy to find. Okay, thank you very much for information.
Let's go to the cheaper room.
Have another cheaper room. If paid monthly, need pay additional to electric and water, or it's including all?
You have to pay for the electric and water, depends on your consumption. This one is the 8,000. This place is, you have neighbor here, and the other.
Without aircon.
We're going to put an aircon.
Okay.
This one is the 8,000.
8,000
Aircon,
peso.
and then we'll just put a table here
So 8,000 already with aircon.
with aircon, yes.
Very good.
And then, yeah. That's it.
But need pay additional for electric, yes?
Yes, you have to deposit 5,000. That's deposit, and then upon move out, we're going to refund the excess from your consumption of electric and water. The minimum consumption for the water is 400 pesos
400 minimum.
per month. And then we also have, I'll just show you one more room. That's 12,000.
12,000.
Yes, that's the last one that is available now. So many rooms ongoing repair and renovation.
Renovation right now. About parking? Parking space here? It's
Parking
free?
is there. That's free parking on this side. This is also, that's also from our guests. And then here the parking for this room. Since the repair of the renovation of this room,
It's already
there is no
finished.
guest here yet.
Oh,
This
it's
is
bigger.
also 12,000.
12,000. Bigger room.
But the TV is not working at the moment. We don't have cable channel yet, since
Okay.
we're just starting. But we're going to put a table here, and then that's it. You have fridge also.
Oh, very nice room also. For this price, 12,000 peso, big also.
Yes. We also have guests, Russian guests, and it's very nice. Hello, good afternoon. This is the pool area. Twice a week we do the cleaning.
Cleaning.
Every two days.
Every 2 days cleaning.
2 to 3 days cleaning, and then but now the leaves are there.
Oh, it's okay. This is fruits?
Not
Not-
from the trees.
It's
not,
from the tree. Cannot
not for
eat.
eating.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very nice also. And free swimming pool, I think it's very good.
If he avails the room, then 2 person is free.
2 person.
Yes. And then if he has or she has a visitor, Then there is a charge for each person for only 150 pesos for the adult.
Ah,
And for the kids, it's 100 pesos during daytime.
Okay.
And at night, it's 200 pesos for the adult and 150 for the kids.
okay. Another not available.
The other one is a jacuzzi, but
Ah,
it's
it's
under
jacuzzi.
maintenance.
Okay.
Okay, because there's a leak,
Uh-huh.
and we're trying to check where it came from.
Okay.
So the water gets dry.
Understand.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, thank you very much, sir. I hope your friends will visit and stay with us.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.